Grandma's right
mister.
here.
Hey, how you doing? Got the senior pass.
Grandma's right here.
Those in the back seat.
You can take a look at my ID.
You're here by choice.
I'm here by choice.
Okay.
But I'm letting my son drive. I gave him my ID and my senior thing.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, thanks.
You standing up?
Bye.
You gotta pay attention. You see some rocks are loose like this? You gotta pay attention. So it's like, you understand? So you stay right in the flat areas. Stay scared.
Look at the birds. Okay. There's one.
What? There's one.
Keep him up.
Go see what Grandpa's doing.
Take 2 steps to your left. Side.
They're gonna come. They like you, bud.
Nice. I got a view already.
She's almost out. Come away, let Bud get the gloves too.
Sure. Take 2 steps to your
Doesn't it look pretty with the sun on the water?
Yeah, it does. It's shimmery. Just a little bit of wind. I think that mountain over there to the right, the big kind of brownish mountain, I think that's the highest point in the park.
Okay.
It's about 8,900 feet. Where we went yesterday was the highest point around the rim. It was 8,100 feet. This is where we can hike down.
All right. Where's this trail start? Here we go. Yeah. All right. Hike with care. All right. I think this is a trail that you don't have to hold my hand. It's okay. All right. I don't want you to go way ahead though. Huh? Do you want to? Yeah, it's pretty nice here. Yeah. No, but we'll be down there in a minute. Yes, it is. Somebody took a shortcut that way, you're right. Yeah, they'll catch up with us. All right. You can go by, we'll just turn our backs to you. Sure. Give her space, okay? I thought it was going to get hot. Huh? Yeah, they caught something, didn't they? I hear Grandma.
Mom, I can see you.
hole, snake hole. Snake hole, snake hole.
What you do is you turn your face away and you stand at the edge of the trail and let people have space. All right.
This is a really nice trail, Jace. Round and round and round.
This is really steep.
You were going the other way.
Are we gonna be sorry we did this? No.
No, you'll be great.
We will.
You'll
Are we
be
not
better
gonna go
than
swimming at the bottom?
Huh?
A little bit. It's
Jump in and go
cold.
skinny dipping?
It's very cold, but yes.
So I go with that.
Let's go down here and find
Or maybe a
someone.
pine cone or a rock.
Come on. About 25 minutes. We're on our way.
Is it a long hike up? All right, well, good job. You think you could ride a bike on this trail?
Just right.
Where's Daddy at? It's really not as cold as you think. I mean, it's cold. It's like a river. But I swim in a river that's really cold. Jack! Come on down, it ain't that cold.
All right.
Remember when you went swimming up there in the San Juans?
Yeah,
It's about that cold.
yeah,
I mean, it's not any colder than Washington River.
yeah.
Oh, feels good. You can put your feet up if you want. Yeah. You don't have to get in. That's what we're doing here. Look what we're doing here. Whitey tighty. My husband just goes right to the whitey tighty and he goes.
It's cold.
But not that cold. No. And once you get in, it ain't that cold. Did you say it's as cold as the river was the other day?
Yeah. It's like the river was.
Oh.
It's cold enough for me.
Are we there yet?
You gotta grab at him.
There it is.
It's up here on the corner.
Got him. Got it. Oh!
He's a fast one.
I have it in my hand. You're so cute.
The warm, that's for sure.
I actually caught a lizard this big.